All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, video 2 of the AC modification rooftop unit in a travel trailer. All right, remember I said we had some flow problems and it was bad. Now look at the ducting. That bad boy open all the way. It's taped all the way around. Right here, remember there was leaks right there. There was like, look, ain't no light coming through now. And a little bit right there. I'm going to put a little more on that puppy. Yeah, a little bit right there. I'm going to seal that up. And look at this side. This side. Woo! We're going to flow now, baby. All right. Just a quick video. All right. There'll be probably a video 3. I'll put it together. And I'll show you the flow on the other ones. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto, test, not guess. Please subscribe. Hit the notification, the little bell to the right of the word subscribe. Thank you very much.